Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Cookin' Recipes. I'm Chef Brian, and today we're going to make St. Patrick's Day sliders. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Without separating the rolls, cut the Hawaiian sweet rolls in half horizontally, keeping the rolls connected. Place the bottom half of the rolls onto a baking dish. Place ham evenly over the rolls, add well-drained kimchi evenly over the ham, and top with the Irish cheddar cheese. Place the top half of the rolls over the cheese. Add butter into a small bowl and melt into the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds, and brush on top of the rolls. Sprinkle with everything bagel seasoning. Place in the oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the sliders are heated through and the cheese is melted. Place a skewer in between the middle of each slider, cut into 12 mini sliders and serve warm. Enjoy this festive dish with your favorite sides. For this recipe and more, visit ktasupersource.com/recipes.